Hey guys, Javen here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to do the side swipe hair bang with no hair products whatsoever. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification to never miss a brand new video again. So this method is really simple. All you need is a comb and a blow dryer. And as you can see, my hair right now, because I just got out of the shower, so my hair is just all damp and all down. As you can see, it's all like clumping up together like this. It doesn't look really nice. So what I like to do is just comb my hair to which direction you want to do your side swipe hair. For me, it's this side, so I'm combing hair a little bit like this. And then you kind of want to comb it up in an upward motion. And then use your hands to go like that. Alright, so now what I like to do is I blow dry it this way and blow dry it upwards. So why blow dry like this in high heat, I'm going to use my comb and comb it like this. So when it dries, it just sort of stays like that. And this method has really worked for me because it lasts like the whole day, even to the next day even. And this is all without any hair products, you know, just natural hair. And for the side here, I will use my comb and comb it to the side like this. And then continue the process. And then continue combing into the direction of your side swipe hair for your bangs. So this is what the finished product looked like. And as you can see on this side, you can see a separation between this hair over here and the hair on the side. It's like split, and over here is just like that. And all this is done without gel or hair products, all just with a blow dryer and a comb. And as you can see, it doesn't sway away. I could go out right now, just wear something nice, and it will stay like this. Hope you guys like this video. This is a simple and cost-effective way to do the side swipe hair bang. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below, and chat back next time. Just to show you guys that this method really works, this is an hour after I filmed the video, and as you can see, my hair is still up and it doesn't go down. Hopefully this method saves you guys a lot of money in the long run. And yeah,